So that was a fantastic match. Kudos to you. But the thing is, that is what you do. Give us fantastic matches in this ring. Now it's a 22 by 22 feet. But what else? You haven't won the big one yet. You have gotten many chances to win the flagship title, the Wrestle Square Intercontinental Championship. Have you won it at least once?
First, I would like to correct you. I have not been given chances to compete in Intercontinental Championship. I have just been given one chance, and that is ruined by Team Curfew. So please correct that fact, and after that, you can ask me another question.
Correction accepted, but what about the past? What about the past when Wrestle Square was holding events across India? Did you hold any time the Intercontinental Championship? No, please don't even think, because the company, the executives only think of you as being the mid-card champion, the cruiserweight champion. And even in Vin Dangal ke Surma, he is the reigning defending cruiserweight champion. He wasn't even thought of being the champion of champions title holder. He wasn't even in contention. Who were in contention? Dr. Smash, we know him as Deep Randhawa, and your good buddy Balian Akki, who you have challenged.
You're comparing apples to oranges. I was not in the heavyweight championship. I was in the cruiserweight championship, and I won that match and won that championship. So, where did I lose? What are you talking about?
You lost in the professional wrestling arena. You lost in the professional wrestling arena. Why? Because you have been secluded in this bubble of being in the light heavyweight division. Why? You are the Sami Zayn, the El Generico of Indian professional wrestling. Why? Why? And now you have challenged Balian Akki right now. And you think that he will accept? Why will he accept? Who? Why? Why will he accept? क्यों करेगा accept? अब वो तो चला गया जापान. अब क्यों करेगा?
The only thing I need in this company right now is competition. And Team Curfew is only here. I don't care if I fight Balian Akki or Skyler. I don't care. I just want.
Skyler, एक मिनट. Skyler की बात हो रही है. एक मिनट. Skyler की बात हो रही है. स्काइलर को कभी चैलेंज क्यों नहीं किया? अभी जो मैच हुआ उसमें मैक्सिम रिस्की के साथ मैच हुआ, क्यों? अब वो भी बात हो जाती है. स्काइलर, अकॉर्डिंग टू टीम कर्फ्यू ऑल्सो, ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रेसलर्स इन इंडिया. स्काइलर के साथ मैच अभी तक क्यों नहीं हुआ? 1-on-1. आर यू डकिंग हिम? वाई? अब बालियान अक्की की तो चलो बात हो गई, जापान चला गया, या he does not think you as worthy enough. चलो कोई नहीं.
You're just ignoring the facts again.
Mhm.
Team Curfew is destroying the competition. If there is no competition, I mean, tag team championship, intercontinental championship, they interfere in every match. How can I wrestle Skyler 1-on-1 fairly? I mean, there is no
Fair.
chance. There is no chance that he will compete fairly. So what's the point of the match?
What's the point of a match? What's the point of a match?
What's the point of wrestling here?
What's the point of wrestling here?
Yeah.
So why are we here? Go. Go
I
elsewhere.
Yeah, sure. I can go right now. It's up to you to fix this. It's up to you.
So why are people like you talking about RJ the Ringmaster? Even now, some hours ago, there was a match being booked for the tag team championship #1 contenders, and Team Fateh said, and I am shooting right now, they said कि RJ, हाँ भाई मजाक चल रहा है, चोर RJ गया, RJ खत्म.
Difference between you and him, I don't like him. I don't like him. But if he at least, if you are doing nothing, Team Curfew is entertaining things and telling you to stop, and you are doing nothing. What are you doing? What are you doing?
मेरे को आया अभी कितना टाइम हुआ है,
So what have you done? What have you done?
मैं RJ की तरह नहीं हूँ. मैं टीम कर्फ्यू को रोक दूंगा. आगे से जो भी मैच होंगे उसमें टीम कर्फ्यू बीच में नहीं आएगी. लेकिन अगर वो आई, वो उनका खुद का मामला, मैं उनको कितनी बारी रोकूंगा वो उन पर है. लेकिन मैं तुम्हें मैन टू मैन बोल रहा हूँ, मैं उन्हें रोकूंगा. लेकिन मैं RJ की तरह चुपचाप नहीं बैठूंगा और जो होता है इस रिंग में वो होने दूंगा. मैं RJ की तरह चुपचाप बैठूंगा नहीं, एक 90s की औरत की तरह घूंघट डाल के कि जो हो रहा है होता रहे. मैं वो नहीं होने दूंगा. मैं तुम्हें मैन टू मैन इस रिंग में अभी बोल रहा हूं, मैं उन्हें रोकने की सरासर पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. ये मैं तुम्हें वादा देता हूं. ये मेरा तुमसे मैन टू मैन. और जहां तक तुम्हारा ये बात है कि इस रिंग में मैं लड़ना नहीं चाहता, ये रिंग जो है कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ के रेसलर्स कुछ नहीं है, क्या है? तो जाना है, कहीं और चले जा, कहीं और चले जा. यूके जाना है, कहीं और जाना है.
Just that.